is this car? Come on, come over here. How small and cute is this car?
It's running on 13th.
Look, and I'm a very short person.
It's running on 13th. See those rims? Yeah.
I mean, come on. It just barely fits me. If Sharon and I were in this car, we probably wouldn't fit.
I wouldn't fit. I would rock that.
Cute.
Looks good.
So tiny. So tiny.
It's A to B. A to B.
I want to have that car. if only they were available in the US.
Oh.
So we're walking down to the beach now. We'll show you what it looks like and how beautiful it is. There's so many different